Welcome to BUZ Financials. Within BUZ we have a full general ledger. You can see here on the menu. We have inventory, we have sales, we have the customer accounts with aged balances, outstanding invoices, reports. We have suppliers with purchase orders, delivery dockets, and even in installations there is the receiving of money back in when fitters come back in and pay in. I propose to just look at a couple of aspects of the accounting system, and if you have any specific interests, I suggest that you contact us to discuss them. Here we're looking at the outstanding invoices. You can see each invoice is listed, who the contact is, their phone numbers, suburbs, the balance on the order number, and if we want to reprint the invoice, we can print the invoice here, and we can select those to be printed as a bulk batch. Also have aged balances, which is a total per customer. Again, similar sort of thing. We can print a statement for that customer. We can also reprint their invoices. You get their 30, 60, 90 balance out here and their phone details, and out to the right here we've got payment notes and a follow-up date. So a credit manager has all the tools needed to manage the credit. The deposit slip, when a sales rep or an installer comes back to the office and they have cash or checks and they've recorded them against the job, they hand them over. We'll get up a list here of what they have to hand over, and we'll check off those ones and we'll save it down here. When all of the installers and sales reps that are coming in on that day have been in and we're ready to go to the bank, we just print, finalise, and we get all the necessary paperwork to take those money to the bank. If we look at a customer and the receipting process, so here we could actually receive more money against this customer. Here we can see an order, and we can see that there have been 2 payments against that order. There's a credit note function, and the credit note function allows us to duplicate it from an order if we were totally cancelling out a specific order, or we can key in own line items that are required for that particular credit. There are sales reports which cover things like commission and installer fees, and so they all get, if the sales rep or the installer are contractors, these monies get transferred as an invoice onto the supplier's account as a recipient created tax invoice. There's also the facility to generate purchase orders, just order in fabric and componentry, and there is in the inventory system an automatic reordering program that will look at stock levels and order back up to the required levels. Also has the ability to order in cut lengths. In customer service, we can see, similar to the customer receipting, we can see each of the orders, transactions on the customer here, and when we can see receipts against it. In the general ledger area, which brings all this together, you can see we have a full chart of accounts. I can pick an account and there are all the details. We can also import the chart of accounts from MYOB if the system is interfacing to that system, and currently have in the pipeline interfaces to other accounting systems that have proved popular. That covers some of the aspects of BUZ accounts, and but there are certainly many more, as it is fully integrated into the BUZ system and provides all the tools necessary for a custom-made products business.